All right, good day, ladies and gentlemen. We're very excited to bring you a very important update on Dogecoin. We got Messin here to help break down what's going on.
I can't believe we're doing this, to be honest with
Yeah,
you.
yep, yeah. Messin, he said, we gotta do Dogecoin. It's pumping, and so we're doing
I never
Dogecoin
said
here.
that. I never said that. This guy just pulled the chart out of nowhere and just put me in this video. But
This
all
is
in
that's
all,
fake news, man.
all in all,
Government
guys,
propaganda.
yes, sir, definitely. So we're looking at Dogecoin right now. Just gonna do a quick technical analysis on it. Never done it before, never did wanna, but it is what it is. Right now, looks like we're seeing a retracement happen all across the market. So obviously, Dogecoin is getting a bit of that heat at the moment. So in terms of support and resistance zones, we're gonna break it down quick and see where we go from there.
Yeah, look, folks, honestly, Dogecoin is a meme coin. It has no real strong fundamentals, except I guess you can buy a Tesla with it. So like our support areas are here at kind of just above 26 cents here. We've the VPVR got scared, it ran away, but we have a nice spike in volume here, sideways price action. Our next support area is here at around 18 cents, nice spike in volume, sideways price action. And then aside from that, 13 cents, nice spike in volume, sideways price action. So those are the three support levels that if we start to break down, I think we could fall down to. Now, do you want to talk about the CMA?
No, 100%. So mainly, I would say, even if we're looking at this previous high we had, same thing, it's pretty volatile. Went all the way up from the 23 cents all the way to the 29 cents, like 30 cents. We saw a bit of retracement, not even a bit, actually. This is more of almost probably like 35% retracement. And right after, we saw a bit of a indecisive candle over here where we have a long wick to the bottom and a wick to the upside. Body of the candle is pretty narrow, so it's pretty indecisive. And right away, as soon as the market sees that, you'll see a retracement, then indecisiveness. That's a sign of a reversal coming, and boom, we drop back down exactly where we were. I'm assuming this is what we're having right over here, pushed all the way up. We just retraced heavily from the 44 cent or 45 cent all the way back down to the 38, 39 cent. Right away, same thing, wicks to the upside and the bottom, very long wick to the upside. And right now, we're seeing here within the next half an hour, we're going to get this hourly candle to close. We might end up with the same scenario we have over here. And you can tell overall, same thing, like you just said, 8 EMA, the 8 EMA on the 1 hour has been acting at that support. We retraced to it, and now we're back up. So I think soon enough here, within the next couple hours, we will have a continued retracement.
100%, especially if we start to break below that 8 EMA on the 1 hour, because you can pretty see how closely this has been hugging price action along our impulse to the upside. As soon as we break down from it, if the VPVR wants a lot of attention right now, but as soon as we break down from it, we enter a bit of a correction phase here. So that following that EMA will be key for understanding if we're going to see that further downtrending with Doge. Now, I also want to bring up something else here, which is so Doge has been like on an absolute goddamn moon mission. Like it's so hard to do TA on this. It's literally a straight line up. I remember like knowing about Doge and kind of it being in my peripheries back in these regions over here. And I just want to say, not financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor, but if I had gotten into Doge around these regions here and I was up approximately 3,000%
Holy.
on a coin with next to no fundamentals. That's a joke, and that's had the most insane parabolic uptrend and is extremely likely to have a substantial correction. I would 100% be taking profits. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. If it were me, look, folks, if you made a bunch of money on Doge, fucking fantastic. If you've held through the FUD, you've held through people's skepticism. That's great. If you made a lot of money, I don't think it's the worst idea to realize some of those profits if you've been in Doge for a while, if you're up a lot, because Doge is I think number 5 now in terms of market cap in crypto. It's above like Cardano and Polkadot. It has zero business being in the top 10, being in the top 20, being in the top 50. So I mean, if
Yeah.
I had held Doge from like these regions, and now I'm up 3,000%. Just me, I would be taking profits for sure, realizing some of those gains. I don't know about you, man.
No, no, definitely. I would have never looked at it. I'll be honest with you here. I would have never been in this, but we're not, I guess, hating on this or whatever. We're just doing a typical TA right now,
I'm hating.
and you definitely are. That's
I'm
that's
hating.
pretty obvious here. But yeah, no. For now, I guess this is pretty much it. Let's see how imagine this goes really high up.
Yo,
I feel
people,
like probably like this is the internet for you.
yeah,
This is what
dude.
happens
No,
when
no,
you give a
no.
bunch of people.
Yo, these guys are saying, sorry to keep on y'all, but like these guys are saying this shit's going to $1. Like Wall Street Bets and Reddit, bro. People like Doge to the moon.
It could.
I think even I think Crypto R Us, George, is another crypto YouTuber who was saying that I heard this from him. I don't know if this is true. We need
Mhm.
confirmation that Elon was tweeting that he's going to send a rocket to the moon with Dogecoin on the rocket. So I don't know if that means like on a wallet
Uh-huh.
or
That's cute.
or
That's
what
cute.
that means.
That's
But
cute.
man, look, guys. It's hard to do T on this. It basically goes up when Elon tweets about it. I mean, we've even been joking about like creating a bot that longs Doge. Anytime Elon tweets tweets about it, he has Doge in the tweet, just long it.
Oh
Um,
yeah.
yeah. So those are our thoughts. There's not a whole lot behind this. If this dumps, it's probably going to dump hard, and I would definitely be taking profits if I were up a lot.
There you go. You heard it, folks. I think we're still gonna see that uptrend continue, that downtrend continue. Expect a lot of volatility. If you're a trader and you're just playing with this, you don't really care what it is, then that's, those are the key support levels for you. Brendan has them on the chart. And I think something to also keep in mind is the 30 cent and the 27 cent is where we as well need to keep an eye out on a very smaller time frame. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Apologies for this. And yeah, if you like the video, comment, like, share, subscribe, join our Discord. If you want to support us on Patreon, then definitely check out the link in the description below. Anything else from your end?
If it falls below this EMA, I'm shorting the shit out of it.
There you go. You heard it.
Take care, folks. All right, there we go.